guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to put on lashes. It used to take me forever to put lashes on. Like, when I tell you it took me 15 minutes, like, I'm not lying to you. It took me 15 minutes and it wouldn't even be on right. Like, you could see where the band was. Like, it was rough. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it now. It takes me like 2 minutes. It's super quick, super easy. So let's get started. So what you're going to need is you're going to first start off with putting mascara on your natural lashes. I already did that. I used a lash curler and I used my mascara. My lashes are naturally really, really straight, if you can tell. Like, this is already with like 5 curls that I've done. You can see right now it's like a slight curl. So you can skip the lash curler if you have natural lashes, natural curly lashes. But if you don't and you have straight lashes like me, girl, get a lash curler. Like, you need it, so that it blends in really, really well. So now that my lashes are like ready to go, I'm going to start with the lash. So with the lash, this is the lash I'm using. I'm using the Duo Clear Adhesive, and this is the brush. The brush is so easy to use because it's super precise. It's super easy. I use this on clients and myself, and it's so good. Like, it's never failed me. So what you're going to do is you're going to just apply one even layer across the band, and I like to just add a little bit extra on the front and the end of the lash. That's like the most important part, so that it's really, really secure. You got to secure that lash, so you're gonna make sure you add a little bit extra. So now that the lash glue's on, you can take a look. You're gonna wait till it gets tacky. This is key. Like, you need the glue to get tacky so that it stays on, or else it's gonna slip and it's gonna slide and it's gonna move. That lash is gonna fall off your face. So you need to make sure it's tacky. How you're gonna know it's tacky is it's gonna start turning to like a blue color, like a light blue color, if you're using the clear adhesive. The black adhesive, I haven't personally used too much. I really don't like it because I don't like to see the black adhesive because I don't really wear eyeliner. But you could use either or, but with this one, you'll start to see it starts to turn a little bit blue. So once it's ready, the key thing is you need a mirror. The mirror that you're going to use is key. What you want is something like this so that you can position it on an angle, because once you position it like this, you can see your natural lash line and you can make sure that this is like secure and positioned in the right spot. So I'm going to position it on an angle, and now that we're good to go, I'm going to hold it from the middle of the lash. You can use tweezers or a lash applicator, either or, but I'm really comfortable with my fingers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just literally place it right on top of my lash line in the middle. I'm going to secure the middle first. Once that's on, you can see it's like right on. Then I'm going to now just connect the end and then connect the front. And you can see it literally just sits right into place. Like, it just falls in. Once you connect that middle, like, you're good to go. Then I'm gonna just get a regular mirror, and I'm just gonna, I like to just like wiggle it a little bit just to make sure it's good to go. And then at the front I find takes a little bit longer to dry, not more, because remember I said add a little bit extra glue at the front. You're gonna find it's still drying a little bit, so at the front I like to like hold it a little bit longer. And then you're good to go, just like that. It's secure. You can see that it's right on my lash band. It's gonna take like 1 minute to dry, like fully dry the lash glue, but you can already see it's starting to set, and you can see the lash line is like, where is it? Like, what lash line? They literally looks just like my real lashes. So that's like the easiest and quickest way you can put lashes on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the second lash on off camera and then show you guys what it looks like. And just like that, you have your lashes on. You can't even see the disconnect between your fake lashes and your real lashes because, girl, placement is key. Like, you can't even see it. I can even go in and show you guys. The placement's really, really good. You can't even tell. And you just look like a baddie now. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with new makeup videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!